What up, shiny hunters? Welcome back to the shiny room. Today we'll be opening the premium power collection. Nice little pop figure, Mr. Mime right there. I've already taken everything out of the box, so we got a little promo Hoo-Ho Rainbow Rare. I put that in this. There, got another promo shining Celebi. Got a promo Pikachu. Got a shining Lugia promo. We also got the big, gigantic card of Hoo-Ho. And it also came with the Shining Legend poster, which is basically you see in every video on my mat. And we got 8 packs. First pack. As you can see, pretty cut that was on bandaged up on my last video. And we are still on the road to 100 subscribers. We are 10 away from it, and when I hit 100, I will be opening 100 packs. Alright. Fighting Energy. Cool. Rock, some kind of rock guy. Scarfeet or whatever. Don't even know. Voltor. Some mushroom guy. Looking. Purloin. Reverse Hollow. Flying Rockman. And a Mewtwo GX. Alright, first hit, first pack magic. Alright, got it. Let's leave that up. If you have not checked any of my description people out in the bottom, go ahead, go check them out, subscribe. They're real good guys. There's Pete the Pac-Man, Mother Zards, Otto makes great freaking content. His intros are always freaking killer. Makes his own music for the videos and everything. His stuff is insane. Alright, Leaf Energy. Pokemon gun thing. Don't know. Leopard, Pikachu, Sunfish, Ekans, Mushroom Man, Voltorb, Reverse Hollow, Carvana, and a shiny. Do not have this one. I do not have it. Alright. Don't know the name. Alright. I am 7 away from having every card in this set. There will be no codes in these ones because I will be putting them on my online game. Sorry guys, if you don't like. Rest in peace, Carvana, Switch, Venusaur, Shrimish, Totodile, Bulbasaur, Pikachu, Stunkfish, Reverse Hollow something, and another Men's Fairy, I don't even know. I think I said its name right. Got a hashtag SitB on that. Alright, we're getting into the Rayquaza. I still not yet pulled the shiny Rayquaza out of this. I'm hoping I will. I have pulled it off. I have got it on the online game. That's a Force. Fighting Energy. Super Scoop Up. Super Scoop Up Spirit. Teleon. No, and I don't know, like some Firefox guy. Mushroom Man. Snake. Rockman. Voltorb. I don't know. Reverse Hollow Palkia. And do not have this one. Alright. Shiny Valkyna. I don't know. Alright, guys. I am 6 away from having every card. And I have 5 packs. Let's see if I can pull at least. Actually, I lied. I have 4 packs. Let's see if I can pull the last 4. We're getting into the Mewtwo. And 1, 2, 3, and 4. Leaf. Pokemon Double Energy. Leopard. Mushroom Man. Torracat. Pulse. Don't know. Ivysaur. Reverse Hollow Minin. And don't know, but we gotta sit hashtag SitB. Alright, getting in the Mew. If you are new to this channel, please sub and hit that notification so you know when every video I upload. Alright. Slimerock, don't know. Bulbasaur, Ivysaur, Stumpfish, Totodile, Litten, Reverse Cat, and another whatever it is. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, hit that notification, and you will be notified every video. I am 10, like I said, I'm 10 away from 100, and when I hit that 100, I will be opening 100 packs. I mean, who doesn't want to see 100 packs open on one channel and one video and see what kind of hits we get? Alright, La Force, Psychic Energy, Venusaur, Ultra Ball, Damage Remover, Minin, Stumpfish, Mushroom Man, Ekans, don't know, Reverse Leopard, and don't know. Grass Dog, I'm calling him Grass Dog. Alright, last pack, Shiny Magic. If you have not checked any of the people in my description, please do so. They all make great contact. There's DNC, Pokebox, Mother Zards, Pizza Packman. There's so many. I still have not hit that list yet. Still gotta make it. Ivysaur, Stumpfish, Totodile, Linen. And here we come. We're coming. And here's a reverse Shrimish. And a Reshiram. Alright guys, that will do it for today. Alright, so let's see if we can get this video up to, I don't know, let's say 15 likes. make sure if you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button and that notification to all so you know when every video I post does a shiny. There's a Reshiram, Grass Dog, Menace Feast, another Grass Dog, shiny Valve, I don't know, Menace Feast, shiny, some kind of, I don't know, Mewtwo, the promo, Lugia, promo, Pikachu, promo, Celebi, and the promo Ho-Ho. Alright guys, this will do it, and I'll catch you later on the next time in the shiny room.